Former Raven Torrey Smith is all about giving back. He recently announced that he and wife Chanel are helping reopen West Baltimore's Hilton Rec Center. Now he is opening up about a new goal, tackling mental health head-on. And Nicole is live with how Smith is helping others get access to treatment while opening up about his own journey. Nicole?
Yes, Denise, this is such an important topic. We're in the midst of a pandemic. The holiday season is here, which can be very triggering for a lot of people. Just to give you a little perspective, more than 51 million people in our country right now are suffering with mental health obstacles, and Torrey Smith is one of them. So right now, he is working alongside Rose Health as an ambassador and an investor to promote mental health resilience at a time when mental health is just very delicate and more people are needing those resources. Torrey Smith is helping and he's stepping up. So this app, it allows a patient to track exactly how they're feeling. It uses some real-time dashboard tools and resources to get them help. That includes therapy. There's also a journaling feature. That's one component that has really helped Torrey in his journey. He says that as someone who's fought these obstacles off the field, he thinks that Rose is a revolutionary tool that creates accountability and self-awareness.
The hardest part about your mental health and your struggles is that a lot of people don't know when you're in the spotlight. So you may see a bad game on the field, you may see body language, somebody may seem out of it, but I was struggling with so many things away from the game during my time in Baltimore that no one knew besides my coaches. And I'm thankful for them and their guidance and the therapists that were made available by the Baltimore Ravens, but a lot of people don't have access to that.
Now, as a black man opening up about his mental health obstacles, Smith encourages anyone who needs help right now to fight through those stereotypes to get it.
We all struggle with things, right? And it's okay to tackle it head on, to know that you're not alone. And I always saw mental health, and I was really taught that, you know, if you're struggling with something, it was more so a sign of weakness, which is the biggest myth ever. You know, we have to continue to tear that down and be more comfortable as men talking about it, especially as an African-American male.
So the technology here, it is very thorough. Again, there are key questionnaires. There are warning trackers that track symptoms like anxiety, depression, self-harm, even suicide, and that can offer some stability and some care in between office visits or even virtual visits. Now, as we move through the holiday season, we know things may start to feel a bit heavier and harder for some people, but there are some resources out there that assure you you are not alone. So that's a great reminder. By the way, Level 82, which is Torrey's nonprofit, they set their first fundraising goal for Giving Tuesday, which was just yesterday, of course, to raise money for that rec center. They have surpassed that goal, which is great news, but there is still time to donate. Torrey really wanted to reiterate how important every dollar is. He said whether it's $1 or $5,000, it really is going to a community that he feels has been neglected and underserved for too long. He says they deserve this rec center, and they're doing everything in their power to get it up and running. Back to you guys.
What a power couple in so many ways.
They are. And
Torrey Smith, his wife.
And keeping it home, keeping it in the community in which they grew up. That's wonderful.
We love them a lot.